At Corbin University, we have, in the last couple of years, developed assessment processes, assessment systems, not for the sake of assessment, but for decision making. And as we have now, over the last couple of years, began to really do what we are calling closing the data loop, we've been able to have our academic departments enter results based on their learning outcomes. And in the system that we have, which happens to be TK20, it has the functionality for them to enter their outcome results, do an analysis of that result, and from that analysis for that specific outcome, they then can enter budget requests, budget recommendations, as well as curricular recommendations. Then our assessment director, who you've, I'm sure, met by now, Ben, is able to pull that data out of our system and compile it, format it, create a document that is then passed on to my office and on to our provost. And from there, the provost uses that information to make decisions that drive everything from faculty hiring to curricular improvements to classroom changes, anything that the department chair or dean might request based on the results of their learning outcome assessment. So where we're going with this here at Corbin University is to use assessment results to drive decision making, budget decision making, curricular decision making, and we are beginning to see the results of that. Last year was our pilot year, and we were able to get some information. This year is our full launch of that, and we are anticipating by the end of the year, the end of this academic year, throughout the summer, Ben will be drawing that data out and beginning to put it together so that the provost can use it in the fall for decisions that our board will be making regarding how we move ahead with budget. And so that has been our ultimate goal from the beginning when we began to develop this assessment process and system, so that it ultimately would enable us to make those kinds of decisions based on solid information, which is the result of the months of faculty and departments measuring the outcomes as they have developed. So we're excited about where we are right now, and really excited about where this is going, and hope to, in about a year, be able to really begin to implement the use of that assessment data.